So let's talk about systems. So Uzin do a system called L3 Gold standard system. Now what this is they pair two products together, which is going to be saving you money on buying them separately. So within the system, you'll get one 22 kilogram sack and one 5k liquid cube. You'll mix these two together to make your screed formula, and in most of the systems, primer isn't needed, which is a bonus. So again, it will be saving you money there. This product is absolutely perfect for residential, as it will cover 15 square meters, which is about an average size room, so you probably won't need to buy another one if you're doing the one room. It has a 1 to 5 millimeter thickness, so good for smooth subfloors, and is very fast drying, so it actually dries in 20 minutes, so super quick. So because it dries in 20 minutes, you can walk on it after just 1 hour. So perfect for getting your flooring down quickly. You can get all our Uzin systems delivered to you next day. So if you're watching this today, you can have it in your house tomorrow. These products are also sold separately. However, they come in a system which you can purchase as one. So again, it's going to save you a lot of money in the long run.